Hello all, Marieke here for Studio Light. In this video I will show you the two new product lines that will be out at the end of August. First up we have a fun and playful glow-in-the-dark line. This line consists of a glow-in-the-dark paste, paint and foil. The foil package will contain 5 glow-in-the-dark sticker sheets. All these products will be great to use for your card making, scrapbooking, mixed media or even your home decor projects. As an addition to the glow-in-the-dark product line, there will be a matching stamp and 2 masks. The second product line will be the newest Sweet Stories release. This release has a Halloween and fall theme and it is a great addition to our glow-in-the-dark products. The release will contain 2 stamps with matching cutting dies. One has a Halloween theme and the other one is more fall related. 2 sentiment stamps that will match all of your Halloween or fall projects. Five matching scenery dies that will make your project even more fun and spooky. How cool will this moon look together with the glow-in-the-dark foil? To complete this release, there will be 2 more scenery masks and a matching paper pad. Next up, I hope to inspire you with 2 projects I made using the glow-in-the-dark line, together with the Halloween and fall Sweet Stories release. I did all the preparations off camera. Using the spiderweb mask together with ink, I created the background. The next step will be to add eyes onto the card using the Watching You mask and the glow-in-the-dark paste. Depending on how thick the layer of paste will be, it will require more or less time to dry up. After the first layer of paste has dried up, I was able to add eyes on the other side of my background. When the background was completely dry, I stamped some spiderwebs. I decided on making my own pattern paper using the Spooky Colors paper pad. I cut 1/4 inch strips of 4 different colors and adhered them on my base card. Trimmed off the excess and my pattern paper is all done. The first card will be a shaker card. So I used the Sweet Stories Halloween stamp and scenery dies together to create a scene. Stamped the images, colored them up and cut them using the matching dies. I die cut the Boo sentiment and turned the letters O into shakers. Heat set all the sentiments onto green cardstock. Cut them using my scissors and turned one into a speech bubble. To finish my card, I adhered all the parts onto the background using the Studio Light tacky glue or foam tape. For my second project, I used the glow-in-the-dark foil sticker sheets. My suggestion for using the sheets for stamp and die cutting is to adhere the sticker sheet on some cardstock before die cutting it. This way the image will be easier to use. Also, stamping the image using a permanent ink like StazOn will prevent the lines getting smudged after stamping them. After I stamped my ghost image, I die cut it off camera. Created the background using a teal, green and black ink, splattered some water and white paint, and created the moon using a grey ink and our new mini ink blending tools. Using both of the Sweet Stories fall and Halloween stamps and cutting dies, together with the scenery dies, I created my second card. I stamped, colored and die cut all the images. Die cut the small scene and adhered some yellow cardstock behind the haunted mansion. I die cut a border of grass and the gravestone and inked them up using a black ink. Heat set the sentiments onto teal and black cardstock. Cut them using my scissors and created one speech bubble. Adhered all the elements onto the card using the Studilite Tacky Glue, double-sided adhesive tape or foam tape. For more information about the products, please have a look in the description below. Thanks for watching.